Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie O. If you're new and you haven't seen any of my older videos, what are you waiting for? Do me a favor, go down below, hit the red subscribe button and check out some of my older videos. We're pretty chill over here, we have a lot of fun. Subscriptions are free and we don't spam you, I promise. I mean, you have nothing to lose, you might as well subscribe. We don't want you to be part of the lurkers, the people that come here and watch my videos but don't subscribe. And if you're old, welcome back. I really missed you guys. Today's video is going to be on this makeup look that I have on. And yes, guys, it's a waterproof makeup tutorial. So if that boy says he's going to take you out on a swimming date, you have nothing to worry about. Sit back, grab yourself some popcorn, biscuits, a cup of tea, whatever, and enjoy this video because, girl, you need to go right out immediately after watching this video, buy these products, beat your face for the gods, and then go out in the rain and tell everybody that they can't sit with you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Most of the products I'm going to be using in this video are high-end products, only because you want to really have that assurance. You want to have the assurance, 45 million naira assurance that your makeup is not going anywhere, because assurance doesn't come cheap, guys. It really doesn't. Make sure you comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll definitely catch you guys in my next one. Before I talk too much, let's jump straight into the video. Alright guys, so we're literally about to start and my face is moisturized and bare, and the first thing I'm going to do is my brows. As usual, you guys know I always do my brows first, and I'm just going to use that to outline the shape of my brows. You guys, I really want to get microblading, but the way Nigeria is set up, I don't want anybody shaving off my brows. So now that I've outlined the top and bottom shape of my brows, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade in the shade Graphite. And this pomade comes with like a dual-ended applicator brush for applying your product. And this actually claims to be bulletproof. It calls this product Bulletproof Brows. You guys know that we're trying to make sure that this makeup doesn't move in the water, so we really want to go for that bulletproof look. So I'm just going to use the angled side to take up some of the product, and I'm going to just put that to fill in my brows. So after filling in the brows, because this eyebrow shade is a bit, I don't know, off for me, I'm just going to go in with my spoolie and try and blend it into the hairs. You guys should already know I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up my brows as usual. The LA Girl Pro Concealer doesn't claim to be waterproof, guys, but honestly, I think I can say that it is, because I've used this concealer for years, and honestly, it is sweatproof, it is budge proof, it is tear proof, it's everything proof, honestly, and it's very, very affordable. Oh my god, guys. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to go into eyeshadow, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn as my eyeshadow base again. I told you guys that this concealer is really affordable, but I can actually say that it's waterproof because I've used it for like a couple of years now, and my makeup doesn't budge in this concealer. Honestly, at a point I even had to stop using it because I felt like it was drying out my under eyes a lot, especially during the winter months. But now I'm back to it because this Nigeria, my eyelids get oily like no man's business. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and I'm just going to be using this one palette for this eyeshadow because I'm not going for anything dramatic, since I just want to show you guys that you can make your makeup waterproof. And I've actually been using Juvia's Place eyeshadows for a couple of months as well, and the eyeshadows are really pigmented and they last long on the eyes. They don't claim to be waterproof, but they do last long on the eyes, so we're going to see how these hold up as well. I'm just taking this shade Jamila and I'm using that as my transition color. Now with a wet brush, I'm applying the shade Bororo to the center of my lid. And I'm going to go back in with Jamila in my outer V. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector, and this is a really matte face primer. And honestly guys, for this waterproof look, you really want to go in with matte products, and what matters most is your base makeup. What you should pay most attention to is your base makeup. So you can see that I did a really simple eye look. I'm not going for anything dramatic on the eyes since I'm going to be inside water today. So on days that you're going to be inside water, or you know you're going to be sweating a lot, I advise that you go with really simple eye looks. Don't do anything too much or too complicated, because that's where your problem is gonna start from, when the eyeshadows start breaking apart on your face. So I'm also going to go in with the Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo Foundation. This foundation is so full coverage, you guys. Like, just 2 pumps can cover your entire face. But for this waterproof look, we want to go in and really reinforce the base. So I'm going in with the foundation, and I've just put 2 pumps on either side of my cheeks, and I'm going to blend that out first. But you need to really work quickly, especially when you're using it with this primer, because everything just starts to dry, and when it dries it's not going to move. It looks smooth enough for me at the moment. The next thing I'm going to go in with is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Concealer, and I have mine in the shade Dark Golden, and this is another really good waterproof product. I told you guys a lot of these products are high-end products because, man, that's just where you get the guarantee that your makeup is not going to budge or move. So I'm just applying this concealer, and this concealer is full coverage, you guys. Oh my god, like, it's so thick. So basically I've put the concealer on, and I have my Jam Beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend it out. Now usually I wouldn't cream contour, but because we're going for a really full coverage waterproof look, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstix in Expresso, and I'm going to use that to contour because it will also warm up all the highlights I have on my face, as you can see. And you guys, it's okay if your face starts to feel really matte. That just means that everything you are putting on your face is actually staying where it's supposed to be staying. And at the end, when we use setting spray, it will lighten everything up on your face actually. And the key to using waterproof products is just to make sure that you're blending properly, because waterproof products do have the tendency to stick and just stay where you have put them. They might not move around as much as regular products would move around. So just make sure that you keep blending and blending and blending until you get your desired look. I'm using the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder to set my highlighted area, and I'm going in with that same damp beauty blender. And the key to really making your waterproof makeup not look caked up is to use a little bit of product. I'm going into my Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow, and I'm just going to use that to set my contour. Underneath my eyes is so matte, I can see the hairs on my face. Like, that's how matte my face is right now. And I'm using the Nars blush in the shade Seduction, and I'm just going to apply some of that to my cheeks. Next, I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes, and I'm using the Jordana Fabuliner liquid liner in the shade Black. I'm also going to go in with the Revolution Pro HD Smoky liner, and this claims to be waterproof and bulletproof as well. These Revolution people really have a lot of waterproof and bulletproof products. So guys, if you're looking for affordable waterproof products, I've already shown you 2 in this video. Even though I said most of the products are high end, you already have a waterproof liner and you have waterproof brows from the drugstore in this video. And now I'm going to be applying my lashes. I'm using SOSU lashes in the shade Taylor today, because they're really dramatic. And if you guys have been following my channel for a very long time, you know that Max Fix Plus is one of the OGs on my channel. I've been using this product for years, and I promise you it does keep your makeup on for ages. So I'm just going to spray a bit of that on either side of my cheek, and I'm going to go in with the Kiko Milano Wet and Dry eyeshadow as my highlight. And I'm sure you guys will be wondering, why is this babe using eyeshadow as her highlight? Well, if you guys didn't know, as I mentioned before, this is a wet and dry eyeshadow from Kiko Milano. What this means is that the eyeshadow can be used wet or it can be used dry. Now it's a perfect shade for a highlight for me. And if it's something that can be used wet and dry, that means that when it gets underwater, it's not going to fall apart because it can be used wet. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder, and I'm just going to use that to powder the whole of my face. I'm sure you guys are wondering, why is she still putting powder if her face is already this dry? But you guys know how you have burglary proof on your window, even though your window can't close. Exactly. It's the same thing, guys. So even though my face is already dry, I just need a bit of extra reinforcement just to be sure. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And if you guys have been following my channel for a long time, you also know that this mascara is an OG. I've used this mascara for about 2 or 3 years now, and I absolutely love it, guys. It is so waterproof. Like, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be using my Saharan lip pencil in shade Stallion to line my lips. And then I'm going to be going in with another product that doesn't budge. This is the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, and I can't remember what shade this is. Finally, I'm going to be using MAC Fix Plus to set the whole of my face. And yeah, guys, that is it for my waterproof makeup tutorial. You can see my face. Everything on my face looks really matte, and it looks really set in place. For the testing part, I'm going to take you guys into my bathroom, and I'm going to shower my entire face so you guys can actually see if the makeup stays on or if it doesn't stay on. This is going to be a video that is tried and tested, so you guys can actually go by all the products I have listed in this video if you really want this makeup to be waterproof, sweatproof, tearproof, anything proof. So yeah, guys, this is where I'm going to sign out for you guys, because I'm just going to take you into the bathroom and you guys can just see what's going to happen there. But if you really like this video, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Don't be part of the lurkers. Don't be part of those people lurking on my channel, coming to watch my videos but not subscribing. It's free. We're chill over here. We have a lot of fun. What's as in, you don't have anything to lose by just clicking the red subscribe button. So click it, guys. Yeah. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, by the way. Let's jump into the shower.
Holy fire, holy water, holy money, only money, only money, only money. We are woody fire, woody thunder, only money, only money, only money.
So yeah, guys, there you have it, your waterproof makeup look. This is how I'm looking after coming out of the shower. You can just see beads of water rolling down my nose here and there. My highlights is intact, guys. My brows haven't gone anywhere. My lips, it literally didn't even feel like anything happened to my lips. You can see that the foundation is still intact as well. My makeup is basically still in place, and I just fully took a dip underneath the shower. So guys, if you would like to try out this waterproof makeup look, it is debbyoje approved. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you have any more video ideas, let me know and I'll definitely get to doing them. That's it from me here. Bye.